Hello friends, in this lecture we will see the differential equation of first order. As we are all know familiar with this differential equation that we have seen in the 11th and 12th standard. Now the introduction of this differential equation is, suppose we have y equals to f of x be a function. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is nothing but dy by dx, that is y dash equals to f dash of x, that is again differentiate with respect to x, that is d2y by dx square, that is y double dash, that is f double dash of x. Continue this process with nth order derivative. The given function is nth derivative of y, that is equals to the nth derivative of the function of x. Now the definition of this differential equation: an equation which involves differential coefficient is called a differential equation. For example, d2y upon dx square plus x square into dy by dx plus y equals to 0. Now the types of differential equation: there are two types, ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Now the ordinary differential equation, an equation which involves function of single variable and ordinary derivative of that function, then it is called as ordinary differential equation. समझ में आ गया? Ordinary differential equation means the equation involves the function of single variable and ordinary derivative means single derivative with respect to the single variable, then that function is called ordinary differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. This is the example of ordinary differential equation. Now the second type is partial differential equation. When the function depends on two or more variables, an equation which involves a function two or more variables and partial derivatives of that function, then it is called a partial differential equation. Suppose equation में function more than two variables के ऊपर depends है और वहाँ पे पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव की टर्म्स है, देन उस इक्वेशन को अपन पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, दैट इज डेल वाई अपॉन डेल एक्स प्लस डेल वाई अपॉन डेल टी इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. नाउ द ऑर्डर ऑफ differential equation. How to find the order of differential equation? The order of highest derivative which appeared in the differential equation means जो भी differential equation है उसमें से highest derivative terms, highest order derivative term जो रहेंगी उसकी जो order है वो पूरे equation के order रहेंगी. That is the order of differential equation. For example, dy by dx its square plus dy by dx plus 5y equals to 0 has order 1, क्योंकि यहाँ पे first order differential equation ही है. Then the degree of differential equation. अब degree किसको कहते हैं? When a differential equation is in polynomial form of derivatives. Polynomial form में differential equation रहेगा. The highest power of highest order derivative, highest power किसकी चाहिए? highest order derivative terms की. जो भी highest order derivative term है उसका जो power रहेगा, that is nothing but the degree of that differential equation. समझ में आ गया? डिग्री किसको बोलते हैं? जो highest order derivative term रहेंगी differential equation की, उसकी जो power रहेंगी, that is nothing but the degree of that differential equation. For example, dy by dx its square plus dy by dx plus 5y equals to 0 has degree 2. Then find the order and degree of differential equation d2y by dx square, that is equals to y plus dy by dx square to the power 1 by 4. Now we have to simplify that equation here. Directly we can't find their order and degree, so we have to simplify here. Here d2y by dx square equals to y plus dy by dx square to the power 1 by 4. Taking the fourth power both sides, this implies that d2y by dx square to the power 4, that is equals to y plus dy by dx square. In above differential equation, the order of highest derivative is 2, because the highest order term कौन सा है, d2y by dx square, that's why the order of that differential equation is 2. Now the degree, how to find the degree of differential equation? The differential equation is in polynomial form में, and the highest order terms कौन सा, d2y by dx square, उसका पावर कितना है, 4 है. That's why the degree of the differential equation is 4. So in this way we can find the order and degree of the differential equation. Now the second example, find the order and degree of d2y by dx square, to the power 3, that is equals to x plus sine dy by dx whole square. Now those first we have to simplify that example and then find their order and degree of the differential equation. Here d2y by dx square to the power 3, that is equals to x plus sine dy by dx its square. In the above differential equation, the order of highest derivative term is d2y by dx square, that's why the order of that differential equation is 2. But the differential equation is not in polynomial form, so the degree of the given differential equation is undefined. Therefore the order is 2 and degree is undefined. When we have to find the degree of the differential equation, that must be in polynomial form. The differential equation is in polynomial form, then we can find the degree of that differential equation. So friends, in this lecture we have seen the order and degree of the differential equation that we have seen here. So thank you very much.